In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Yardi property management software as a complete beginner, step by step. Here's what you can expect from this video. First, we'll explore what Yardi property management software is and how it helps property owners streamline their daily operations. Next, we'll go through the different solutions Yardi offers, such as affordable housing, commercial real estate, and student housing. Then we'll take a look at Yardi's main software products, including Voyager, Yardi Breeze, and Breeze Premier for Canada. And finally, we'll cover how to get started and explore whether Yardi is the right fit for your organization. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Yardi Property Management Software is a comprehensive platform designed to help property owners, managers, and real estate professionals manage residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties efficiently. The software combines accounting, leasing, maintenance, marketing, and reporting tools into one system, helping users streamline daily operations. Yardi includes features such as online rent collection, tenant portals, vacancy tracking, work order management, financial reporting, and document storage. Its cloud-based architecture allows secure access to property data from anywhere while maintaining compliance standards. The platform also supports automation, reducing manual work and improving efficiency. Now, let's go through the solutions this software provides. Yardi provides specialized solutions for affordable housing providers, helping them manage compliance requirements, tenant eligibility, certifications, and reporting. The platform simplifies administrative tasks while ensuring adherence to housing regulations. For commercial property operators, Yardi offers tools to manage leases, tenant relationships, maintenance, and financial performance. The platform helps track occupancy, rental income, and expenses across property types. Yardi supports condominium associations, cooperatives, and homeowners associations by simplifying community management. It includes tools for resident communication, fee collection, maintenance requests, and financial reporting. For co-working operators, Yardi provides solutions to manage memberships, bookings, billing, and space utilization. The platform helps maximize occupancy while delivering experience for members. Yardi assists real estate investment firms with portfolio management, fund accounting, forecasting, and investor reporting. The platform centralizes financial and operational data, improving transparency. Yardi offers tools for manufactured housing communities, including lease management, rent collection, and maintenance tracking. Operators can efficiently manage residents and properties from one platform. Military housing providers use Yardi to manage residential communities serving military personnel and families. The platform streamlines leasing, maintenance, inspections, and financial management. For organizations managing multiple property types, Yardi provides a unified platform that centralizes operations and reporting. Users can oversee residential, commercial, and specialized assets from a single system. Yardi's multifamily solutions help property managers oversee apartment communities, resident communications, leasing, and maintenance. The platform automates routine tasks while providing detailed analytics. Occupier solutions are designed for businesses managing their real estate portfolios. Yardi helps organizations track leases, occupancy costs, space utilization, and workplace performance. Yardi supports public housing authorities with tools for compliance management, resident services, inspections, and reporting. The platform helps agencies meet regulatory requirements efficiently. For self-storage operators, Yardi offers features for unit management, reservations, billing, and customer communication. Automated processes help maximize occupancy and improve the customer experience. Yardi provides solutions tailored to senior living communities, including resident care management, billing, and facility operations. The platform helps staff coordinate services and maintain compliance. Yardi enables property managers to efficiently manage large portfolios of single-family rental homes. Features include leasing, maintenance tracking, accounting, and resident communication tools. Social housing providers use Yardi to manage housing programs, resident services, compliance, and financial operations. The software supports affordable housing initiatives while improving transparency. Yardi helps student housing operators manage leasing, room assignments, maintenance, and resident engagement. Reporting tools provide insights into occupancy, revenue, and property performance. Now let's move on to the softwares Yardi Property Management provides. Voyager is Yardi's enterprise-level property management platform designed for large real estate organizations. It combines accounting, operations, leasing, maintenance, and reporting into a centralized system. Yardi Breeze is a simplified, cloud-based property management solution built for small to mid-sized property managers. It offers tools for accounting, rent collection, maintenance tracking, leasing, and tenant communication. Yardi Breeze Premier for Canada is an enhanced version of Breeze tailored to Canadian property management needs. It provides advanced features such as custom reporting, workflow automation, and expanded accounting capabilities. If you need to get in touch with the Yardi team, the process is very straightforward. First, scroll all the way down to the footer of the website. Here, you will find links to their social media profiles, including Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Directly below these icons, you will see a link labeled "See all ways to contact us." Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Yardi's Contact Us page. To find the most relevant office, start by selecting your region from the drop-down menu. For example, let's choose Europe. Next, select the office closest to you. Let's choose Amsterdam, Netherlands. Once selected, you'll see several ways to connect with their team. You can either click Get Directions or use the listed address to visit their office for a face-to-face meeting. You can also call the provided phone number to speak directly with a representative. If you prefer, you can also fill out the contact form on the right side of the page with your details and inquiry, then submit it to receive a response from their team. If you're ready to explore the platform further or discuss purchasing options, click the Talk to Sales button. This opens a form where you'll begin by entering your first and last name, job title, and company name. Next, provide your business email address and phone number. Then select your country or region from the drop-down menu. You will also be asked whether you are an existing Yardi customer by selecting either yes or no. In the message box, describe how the Yardi team can help you and mention any goals, requirements, or questions you would like to discuss. Finally, check the consent box to agree to the processing of your personal information and click the Request Demo button to submit your request. Alternatively, you can return to the homepage and click the Book a Demo button. This opens a similar form where you can provide your details and schedule a personalized demonstration of the software, allowing you to see exactly how Yardi can fit your business. And there you have a complete, step-by-step overview of how the Yardi property management system works. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.